Tapping and Breathwork for Stress Relief is a powerful science-backed course created by Gabriel Castillo, an initiated shaman, and Yi Lin, a board-registered psychologist. This course teaches you how to use two of the world's most effective healing tools, breathwork and EFT tapping, to release stress, calm anxiety, and reset your nervous system in just minutes a day. In today's world, stress is chronic. Whether you're an entrepreneur, caregiver, or simply overwhelmed by life, your nervous system is taking a constant hit. This accredited course offers a simple, daily ritual to restore balance and build emotional resilience, without needing hours of meditation or complex routines. Through short, practical lessons, you'll learn to combine breath and tapping into a personalized healing practice you can use anywhere, before a big meeting, during an emotional moment, or as a daily reset. You'll also gain a deeper understanding of how stress affects your body and how to reverse it naturally. Upon completion, you'll receive an official accredited certificate through Finally Detached, validating your knowledge and practice. Whether you're a complete beginner or a wellness practitioner, this course is your invitation to create real, lasting peace. Enroll today and bring calm back into your life, one breath and one tap at a time. See you there.